When I started this project, I hesitated because I knew there were some areas that I knew were gonna be not fun to go through. That's why we're doing it together. We're gonna declutter everything. So let's finish up the drawers and then we'll tackle the cake cupboard. The next area I want to tackle is my cake cupboard. I've got a ton of decorating supplies in here. We're gonna get it nice and organized and minimize to only the things that add to our lives. Let's start like I do all of the other areas and bring everything out and take a look at it. I've gone through these items before, but it's been a long while. So this is everything from the first couple of shelves. I left the pans at the bottom because I didn't have enough room on the table. We're gonna go through these first and we'll do the pans later on. I didn't really want to go through that, but I did, and I'm happy I did because it's one less thing that I have to keep. And we're gonna come back once I've sorted through everything. I'm back. I went through everything. I got rid of a few things. This is what's left of what I've organized. I was able to get rid of some small storage and condense it into this larger storage. So that's mainly what I did, was to condense like items and put them together so that I can get rid of all the smaller storage. So it's gonna be easier to put everything back.
It's gonna be easier to put everything back.
And to find things when I need them. Let's get everything back in the cupboard. was happy for half a second. Okay. It's not working. I'm just gonna have to leave out the riser because it's not working out. Look, that works so much better. Alright. Be too tall for these guys. Why do I keep trying to make this work? I don't know. No, everything is too big. I can use what I have, but it's not working. These need to be closed storage because I cannot stack anything in here. So this is what I came up with. It's not the most beautiful arrangement, but it works and everything finally fits inside. I think I'm gonna check Amazon for some stackable storage solutions because I think that'll work better than what I have in there right now. I'll update you guys if I make any changes. So the last thing I need to do is take out the cake pans and go through all those. So these are all the pans that I have. So I've already decided to get rid of this multi-tiered generic cake stand. Okay, like I thought, I went through all my pans and I'm gonna keep everything because everything is useful. These are the ones I use the most, the 6-inch cake pans. But in the past I've done a lot of cake orders, which is why I have so many different pans. But they are all useful. I'm gonna keep them all, and we're gonna get things cleaned up and put them back in the cake cupboard. I'm gonna label the different sizes of the pans so that in the future I know which size is which. This doesn't belong here. I'm gonna put that with my baking supplies. So I'm just gonna take the bottom of the pan and a Sharpie and write down the size of the pan, so that way it's easy to find. So it's a 6-inch round pan, 2-inch deep. So I'm gonna go through and do this with all the pans. Hopefully I know what all the sizes are. Do you follow the expiration date? Are you an expiration date follower? Because I am. I don't want to play around with it. Hi, Naima.